True love.
That's a gift unlike any other. It's all scary until you just do it. So why not just do it?
This is your captain welcoming you to Wyman Air Flight 227. You remember those lessons I used to give you?
You ready to give it a go? Make sure that the horizon stays level right here. I'm gonna turn off the autopilot. Look, Ma.
He's having a heart attack. It's okay, it's okay. Put us down! We have no pilot. The autopilot's broken. We have no idea where we are.
Neither of us can land a plane.
Hello, can anyone hear me? This is a distress call.
227, come in.
This is 227.
You still got her in the air, so keep doing what you're doing.
Holy shit, look at that.
I see the storm.
It's too big to go around. You're gonna have to play through it.
That's our shot.
No going back.
Let's get off this plane.